ready to unlock a world of powerful communication tools. Let's get you set up with a Telnyx account and add some funds so you can start building. First, head over to Telnyx.com. You'll see a prominent sign up button. Usually in the top right corner, click on that to begin the registration process. Now, you'll need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure it's a password you can remember, but also one that's secure. Double check that you have entered the correct email, as this will be your user identification. After submitting your information, Telnyx will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your inbox, find the email from Telnyx, and click on the verification link. This confirms your email address and activates your account. Once you're verified, you'll be taken to your Telnyx dashboard to add funds. Navigate to the billing or payment section. This is usually found in the settings menu or on the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. Telnyx offers various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes options like PayPal. Choose your preferred method and enter the required information, such as your card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the amount you want to add to your account balance. Once you've confirmed the payment details and the amount, click the Submit or Add Funds button. The funds should be added to your Telnyx account balance almost instantly. And that's it. Your Telnyx account is now set up and funded. You're ready to explore Telnyx's powerful communication apps and start building.